Hi everyone, my name is Alda Cahyaningtyas. You can call me Alda. This is interactive presentation number 5, which is a submission for General Chemistry 1 that I'm taking with Doane University. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean coins, basically to get rid of the rust that's on the coin with vinegar and salt. The materials that you're gonna need for this experiment are paper towel, a non-metallic bowl, a quarter of white vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, and some dirty and rusty coins. I'm going to be showing you a control experiment first. So I have here with me a bowl of just water, and I have here with me some dirty rusty coins. So here it is. Let's pick up another one actually. Here you go. Okay. Now we're going to place it in the bowl of water. As you can see and observe, nothing is happening to the coins. There's no change in color, and even if we want to wait, there's still nothing happening to it. Here's how they look after being submerged to water. They remain the same. Let's start the experiment. First, you pour the white vinegar into the bowl. So I have measured here a quarter cup of white vinegar, and you just pour it over here. And then you proceed with pouring the 1 teaspoon of salt into the white vinegar. I am going to go ahead and use this tool to stir and mix the salt with the white vinegar. Make sure that you only use a non-metallic tool to stir this. Now that you're done stirring, you can place the coins in the bowl. So I hope you can still see it. This is a pretty rusty, dirty coin. This one as well, and this one as well. I'm just gonna begin with this first 3 coins. And then I'm gonna scoot you in so you can see what's happening. The coins are all in here, and I hope you can see it starting to be cleaner. You can get it. And the rust is starting to be gone. As you can see, now the coins are very clean. Let's lift it. Get that. This one. I'm actually not quite sure what these black specks are, but it's much better than how it looked previously. Same thing with this one. Now we can pick up the coins. I forgot to mention this earlier, but after you're done, you can place these coins in a bowl of just water to stop the reaction from happening. Now you can just place it on the paper towel to dry. This is the comparison. These are the ones that we just cleaned. Meanwhile, these are the ones that we have not cleaned. We'll try this one more time. Let's do another 3 of rusty and dirty coins and place it in the bowl. I hope you're able to notice the difference. The longer you leave it, the cleaner it will become. Now we see it's much cleaner now. Wow. Now we can place it in water and we can take it out. The ones on the paper towel are the ones that we just cleaned, and these are the ones that's still dirty. And now we can compare the coins. These are the ones that we clean using vinegar and salt, and these are the ones that we submerge in water. The color is very different. Still dirty and dark. This one as well. Versus these ones, they're bright, shining. We need to understand the reason why the coins become rusty over time. So what happens is that the coin, which is copper, reacts with the air, that's basically everywhere, and forms copper oxide. The copper oxide basically results in this dull, greenish, bluish color, and which was something that we were able to observe with the dirty and rusty coins that we had in this experiment. Based on the knowledge that copper oxide formed from copper being exposed to air for a prolonged time, now we can be able to write down the reaction that happens from the experiment that we just did. This is copper oxide and this is the vinegar, which is acetic acid. And when these two react, they form these two products, which is copper to acetate and then water. So this whole reaction is a double displacement reaction. The copper oxide disintegrates and combines with the acetate of the vinegar, creating copper to acetate. The oxygen from this reactant reacts with the hydrogen from the vinegar, forming water over here. Aside from being a double displacement reaction, an acid-base reaction also happens over here. Because as you can see, the acetic acid donates its H plus proton, which later on forms this water. Because the acetic acid donates its H plus proton, that means it's the acid. And over here, the copper oxide is the base. Another important thing to note from this experiment is how we were not able to observe a clean coins after submerging the rusty, dirty coins in just water. The reason behind this is because the rust needs to react with an acid in order to be removed. As we might have already known, water is not acidic. So that's why after submerging the dirty coins in the water, we were not able to observe a clean coins afterwards.